Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Play Store free up space problem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do is head over to your Google Play Store and then simply on the search bar type in Google Play Store. And then check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. Now if that still doesn't fix the issue, then the next thing that you can do is head over to your settings or simply long tap on the Google Play app, and then you'll get an option that says app info. Tap on that, and once you tap on that, all you gotta do is just simply clear the browsing data, clear up the space, and then try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is try deleting the unwanted apps that is present in your app, which might free up the space that the Google Play wants. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.